Hello and welcome to Miss Art channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at long O sound as in home, goat, and slow. And now, let's look at O sound using O and W. This E cannot be heard. She comes last in a word. This magic silent E can aim a spell over one letter to make O sound appear and say its name. O. O as in cone. K. O. Cone. O as in home. O. Home. O as in note. O. Note. And now let's look at O sound using O and A. When Mrs. O and Mrs. A go out walking, Mrs. O does all the talking. She just says her name. Oh, can you say that again? Oh, that's awesome. O as in coat. K. O. T. Coat. O as in float. O. O. T. Float. O as in form. O. Form. And now let's look at O sound using O and W. When Mrs. O and Mrs. W go out walking, Mrs. O does all the talking. She just says her name. Oh, but Mrs. W won't do the same. Do you know why? Because she's busy playing. O as in slow. S. O. O. Slow. O as in flow. O. O. Flow. O as in snow. O. Snow. O as in grow. O. Grow. O as in row. O. Row. Can you think of any more? If so, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.